Okay, hello everyone. See you again. And this project we call free energy water pump. You just use the metal drum to set up, make a main drum. It can make strong pressure to suck the water from the deep. You can see the very deep well here. Yet, don't forget before you process, open the in of the output pipe. Of the output pipe, you have to feed the water to this main drum. So deep water, right? You can see it's so deep. Let me show you how that's deep. Wow, it's so deep. So I set up already, I assemble already, and then before we open the end of our pipe process or project, we have to feed the water to this main drum, right, until it's full. Right now I feel it full already, and I close one valve, and next step I will close properly, make sure no linking. Don't forget to the clue showing you installation or set up this kind of project. And otherwise you can see this kind, we call air pressure, but the special one that I use with the motorbike valve, right, for filling the water air to this drum, right, to air. So I fill already with the air pump, and then okay, like this. Then now we go to see that the end of our pipe doesn't work with me. This kind of project we call free energy water pump. If we don't use the electricity, just use the pressure to suck the water from the deep well over there, right? This well is a very ancient, very old ancient that the abandoned for a long time. Somebody use it. But right now I have a good idea to set up this kind of project to take the water from the well here, because it's difficult if we just to take the water from the deep well by hand. But this project is easy. It non-stop 24 hours per day, even we close while check like that. Okay, how does it work? I will open it to show you. Okay. Right, you can hear the sound. Okay, you can see like this. Okay, it's so strong that you can see. This kind of project we call free energy water pump. The first time is strong like this, but if we close it, if we leave it around 20 or 30 millimeter, it will be weaker and weaker. Because we don't use the electricity, just use the pressure to start the water from the big well over there, right? So like this. If you need the water, you can close. If you don't need more, the water you can close, and if you need it, it's open. And if you don't need, you can close like this. Because it no switch on and switch off of the different from the electricity, right? Okay, like this. Okay, thank you so much dear to spend the well time to see my review, my video today. See you next video. Thank you so much.